Hi there. Today, I'm going to show you how to access the DSM-5-TR and related texts through the Divine Mercy University Library website. First, you'll navigate to the library website at DivineMercy.edu/library/. Next, you'll come down to the navigation bar and click Library Login. You'll use both your library barcode and the password you made to log in. For help setting up your library account, please see our video, How to Log into the Library, linked in the card above. Once you've signed in, you'll come up to Resources and click Library Databases. Next, you'll come down to Other Links and choose the third option, Psychiatry Online Premium, DSM-5-TR, and other titles. This will bring you to the Psychiatry Online website. You will scroll down until you see DSM Library, and then you'll choose the text that you would like to search. For purposes of this video, I will choose the DSM-5-TR. This is a full access title, so you'll be able to read the entire text online. For example, let's say you wanted to read about neurodevelopmental disorders. You could click through to that and read about it. Hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please contact the library. Thanks.